In this hosting tutorial, I'm going to be going over how to host a website on Bluehost step by step from start to finish. I'll be covering the different web hosting plans offered by Bluehost and their features, how to get a free domain name with your web hosting purchase, getting set up and creating your very own website, along with how to access professionally pre-made templates and how to edit your site via drag and drop, making the website creation process quick and easy. Let's get started with the hosting tutorial going over how to host a website on Bluehost. The first step to host your very own website on Bluehost is to click the link in the description below to visit Bluehost, and so you can get a Bluehost discount and save money on your Bluehost web hosting purchase, plus get a free domain name. A little disclosure, the link is an affiliate link, and you are receiving commission from Bluehost at no extra cost to you. Plus you get an awesome Bluehost discount. Once you click the link in the description below, you'll be on the Bluehost plans page. Click the View Plans button, or scroll down to the Bluehost Plans section. You'll see Bluehost hosting runs as low as $2.95 per month up to $29.99 per month. All Bluehost plans come with a free domain name, 30-day money-back guarantee, 99.9% uptime guarantee, free SSL, free email accounts, free CDN, and 24/7 support. The basic plan is a good plan if you're going to have just one website. This plan comes with 10 gigabytes of SSD storage. The Choice Plus plan is a popular plan if you have more than one website. This plan comes with 3 websites and 40 gigabytes of SSD storage. This plan comes with extra features such as daily website backups free for the first year, domain privacy free for the first year, and malware scanning. The online store plan is a good plan if you have an online store. The online store plan comes with 3 websites, 40 gigabytes of SSD storage, and everything the Choice Plus plan comes with. This plan is good if you're going to have an online store, as it comes with a bunch of extras like an exclusive store theme, store analytics, and extra e-commerce features for your online store like unlimited products, secure online payments, bookings and appointments, shipping labels, product search and filtering, gift cards, wish list, and customer account creation. Something I want to note is you can have an e-commerce site with the basic, Choice Plus, or Cloud plan as well. You just won't get the extra e-commerce features the Bluehost online store plan provides. The Cloud plan is a good plan if you want the best performance and fast site speed. The Cloud plan comes with up to 50 websites, 225 gigabytes of SSD storage, up to 150V CPU compute power, unrestricted bandwidth, global edge caching, high burst capacity, web application firewall, high frequency CPUs, DDoS mitigation, daily automated backups, and built-in partnership with the creators of WordPress. Once you decide on a plan you'd like to go with, you'll be able to choose and search for your free domain name on the next page under Create a New Domain. If you already own a domain name, you can enter it in where it says Use the domain you own. If you can't decide on a domain name, you can click the Create My Domain Later link, and you can choose your free domain name at a later date in the Bluehost dashboard. Click Next to proceed to the next step. You'll now be on the Create Your Account page. You now want to input your account information. Next is the Plan Information section. Next is the Add Additional Services section. What you see here can vary on the plan you chose, as some plans come with some of these, or if you didn't choose a free domain name, domain privacy won't show. All these additional services are completely optional and up to you whether you want any of them or not. First is e-commerce. E-commerce can easily turn your website into an online store. With this package extra, you'll get WordPress and WooCommerce installed for you. You'll also receive specialized e-commerce features, allowing your customers to purchase products and pay for them with popular payment processors like PayPal, Stripe, and Venmo. You can also book appointments and service requests, create wish lists, and custom gift cards. You'll also receive customized My Account dashboards for all your customers to track orders, review past purchases, edit profile information, and more. If you're going to have an e-commerce site, this package extra makes things easier for you. You can also do these things without this package extra. It'll just take manual setup and will not be automatic. Next is Domain Privacy Plus Protection. I do recommend Domain Privacy Plus Protection as it'll keep your personal information private so that spammers and telemarketers won't have access to your personal information and contact you by phone and email with offers of their services. When you register a domain name, no matter what company you choose, the domain goes into the public WHOIS database as domain names are regulated. If you select Domain Privacy Plus Protection, it'll show Bluehost default contact information instead of yours. Highly recommend Domain Privacy Plus Protection. Next is CodeGuard Basic. This will back up your site daily, and you can restore your site to a previous backup with a click of a button with their one-click restore. An example of where this package extra can be good is if your site gets hacked into, or you mess something up while creating it, or editing it, you can restore it to the version right before whatever happened took place, and everything will be back to normal. The next add-on is Yoast SEO Premium. Yoast is the #1 WordPress plugin for SEO. Something I want to note is Yoast SEO is a free plugin you can download in WordPress. Yoast SEO Premium comes with additional features such as full access to Yoast SEO Academy that helps you learn about SEO, 24/7 premium support, it'll save time and spot ranking opportunities with Yoast SEO workouts, prevent your visitors from ending up on dead links, content quality and link suggestions as you write your content. You can view your blog post and pages as they would show on search engines and social media posts to help you optimize better. In my opinion, the Yoast SEO free version is all you need, as it is super helpful in guiding you to optimize your site for SEO. Next, you'll see single domain SSL. Bluehost does come with a free SSL certificate for your site, so this add-on isn't necessary unless you want to upgrade to a positive SSL certificate, which will allow you to show a site security badge on your site if you'd like. And with the positive SSL certificate, you'll have a $10,000 limited guarantee warranty by Komodo, which protects your customers. Next, you will see SiteLock Security Essentials. This add-on checks your website daily for malware and protects your site from hackers and malicious attacks. It will notify you if your site has been hacked into and malicious code has been placed into it. SiteLock Essentials also removes malware automatically. This add-on can be beneficial and give you peace of mind if your site were to get hacked into and malware is placed on it. Isn't necessary though. The next add-on is Professional Email. This package extra provides you with an email address ending in your domain name, along with other features provided by Bluehost, such as shared calendar, contacts, and tasks, OX documents like text, spreadsheet and presentation, 25 gigabytes of cloud storage, and enhanced spam and virus protection. I do want to note that Bluehost does come with free email addresses ending in your domain name, so this add-on isn't necessary unless you really want to utilize all the added features provided by Professional Email. The next add-on is Google Workspace Business Starter. This package extra provides you with an email address ending in your domain name, along with other features provided by Google Workspace, such as Gmail, Calendar, Chat, Cloud Storage with Drive, video conferencing with me, and many more Google Workspace features. I do want to note that Bluehost does come with free email addresses ending in your domain name, so this add-on isn't necessary unless you really want to utilize all the added features with Google Workspace. Next, enter your payment information in and click the Submit button. Bluehost will now email you your Bluehost receipt. You are now directed to a page where you see your Bluehost account has been successfully created. Click the Create Password button. Next, enter a password to be used for your Bluehost account. You'll see your user ID for your account listed. Click the Create Password button. WordPress will begin installing. Once it is done, you'll be directed to a Make Your Dreams a Reality page. Click the Start Setup button. It'll now ask you what your experience with WordPress is. Select the one that fits your experience. Next, it'll ask you what type of site you are creating. It'll now ask you a subcategory for the category you chose. Next, it'll ask you your top priority for your site. If you don't want to do this part, feel free to click Skip this step. Next, you can input your site title, site description, upload a logo, and under social media icons, you can input any social media profiles you have for your business. This step is completely optional, and you can input these in WordPress anytime you'd like. You'll now be on the Tailor Your Theme page. It'll now show you the design of the theme. If you want to use another theme, just click the Next button. We won't be using this theme for this tutorial, so I'll click Next. On this page, I'll click the Next button. On this page, I'm not going to worry about what is selected. I'll click the Next button. On the page template page, I'll just click the Next button. Next, you'll be on the Key Features page. I recommend keeping what is selected and clicking the Next button. You'll now be on the Your Site is Ready page. Click the Complete Setup button. You'll now be taken to the WordPress dashboard. From here, you'll see you're in the Bluehost tab in the left side menu. From here, if you click Bluehost account, it'll take you to your Bluehost control panel. You can also get to your Bluehost control panel by logging into Bluehost. In the left side menu, click Websites. If you click Edit Site, it'll take you to your WordPress dashboard where you can begin in creating and editing your website. If you click Settings, you'll see your Bluehost name servers listed here. At the top, you'll be able to choose from different settings for your site. Where you see cPanel email, this is where you can create new email addresses completely free, ending in your domain name. Before I show you how to access free themes for your site, we want to change our domain name to be secure using HTTPS with the free SSL certificate. I'll click Edit WordPress Site to be taken to WordPress. I'll hover over Settings in the left side menu. Click General. You'll see WordPress address URL and site address URL. Change these to HTTPS instead of the HTTP. I'll just add an S behind the HTTP for both. Scroll down and click Save Changes. It'll now log you out of WordPress because we changed the URL to HTTPS. Just log back in. Now I want to show you how to access free professionally designed WordPress themes. To pick out a theme for your site, on the far left you will see tabs. Find the Appearance tab and hover over it. Click Themes. This is where you can pick out a theme for your site. Next, click Add New Theme. You'll now see WordPress themes that you can choose from. There's thousands of free themes to choose from. Now I want to show you how to access free professionally designed WordPress themes and how to edit them easily with drag and drop editor. Type in Astra in the search field. Click the Install button. Once it is done installing, click the Activate button. Once it is done activating the theme, you want to find the Plugins tab in the side menu. Click Add New. In the search field, type in Starter Templates. You want to click Install on it, then click Activate. Hover over the Appearance tab in the side menu. Click on Starter Templates. You will now see how you would like to build your website. I'll select the classic Starter Templates. Click the Build with Templates button. Choose Elementor for the page builder. It'll now showcase a bunch of WordPress themes you can build your site with using drag and drop. You can type in the type of website you want to create to pull up templates based on that. You'll see a bunch of categories you can hover over and select to build your site. If you click a theme, it'll show you what it will look like so you can preview it. Click the X button to go back to the themes page. Once you choose a theme, you'll be on this page here. You can upload a logo if you'd like. You can do this at a later time, so if you don't have one now, no worries. You can now choose the font and colors for your site. You can update these at a later time or change them whenever you'd like. Click the Continue button. You'll be on the Select Features page. Feel free to select any features you want. I'll click Skip this step. You'll now be on the Tell us a little about yourself. You don't have to fill this out if you don't want to. Just make sure under Advanced Options you have each one selected. Click the Submit and Build My Website button. It'll begin building your website. Once it is done, you'll be on the Congratulations page. Click the View Your Website button. It'll now take you to your website and what it looks like. At the top, click Edit with Elementor on the page you want to edit, it'll bring up the drag and drop editor where you can easily make changes to your site. You can click on something and then put in the text you want, move things around, drag stuff over from the left. You can click an image to put in your own image. If you scroll down to the bottom of the page to the Drag Widgets section, click the Starter Templates icon. Click Blocks in the menu. You can then choose from lots of block templates you can add to your site. I'll click one. I'll click the Import Block button. It's now been added to the page. That's all there is to it. That is how to host a website on Bluehost. I hope you enjoyed this hosting tutorial. Give this video a thumbs up and leave us a comment letting us know if the tutorial was helpful or not, as the comments help improve our tutorials. Be sure to subscribe to our channel for more web hosting tutorial videos.